It's me, Otto from the Isaac and Otto Show, and here is a tornado siren, 2001-130, and it looks pretty neat. And we're at Driscoll Elementary, Montgomery County, Marshall Road, and I only see all of this is the main. And there's a tornado siren at YMCA, which is pretty close to this siren. I wish the tornado siren at the YMCA gets moved because the tornado siren at the YMCA is so close to the one at Driscoll. And this is this is the tornado siren at Driscoll Elementary. Don't get confused. And here's the playground. I'm currently on the slide, but okay. This is, and also you can see that there's a soccer thing over there, Gaga ball pit, and usually this thing is pretty good. This thing is very high pitched, and also this thing is very close to my house. So, see ya. One more thing about this tornado siren is that it's pretty cool, and you can see when I zoom in that it's much better. I need to change the brightness. Yeah, here's a better picture of it. See ya.